before we actually start the town meeting, please turn your cell phones off. You would think that everybody would know that, but I just turned mine off a minute ago. The maker must be recognized, motion must be seconded, if debate ceases, and it requires a 2/3 vote. If so voted, we move immediately on the motion or amendment on the floor. You cannot end your discussion of an issue by calling a question. Robert suggests that every voter will not be recognized a third time on a particular subject until all other voters who wish to speak for the first time are given a chance to do so, although I may sometimes relax this rule for good discussion. In order to move things along, I may sometimes use the phrase, if there is no objection, and as in, if there is no objection, we will suspend the rules to allow a representative to speak.
The town clerk said that she is spending $100 for a lawyer, in other words, going outside of the purview, and this concerns all the citizens of, she went outside the purview and approval of the select board.
She deserves what she's been asking for. She's been very efficient. She's learned a great deal in this year, and she hasn't even done every job until today. Today is the final part of the job that she has to go through and learn. And I give her credit for sticking it out and learning and trying so hard.
It means that it won't spiral out of control.
Right, and that's defining the project. Right? That's saying this is what the project is. It's a $90,000 project. We want to spread it over 2 years. It's letting you know what we're getting into. But it is not loading back money.
What I really want to do is be able to answer your question. Do you see town meeting as a chance sort of at halftime through legislative session to get out, listen to your concerns, yell at us, scream at us, ask us for information, whatever it takes, but it helps us to do our job better, to get back home for a few days and listen.
$5,000 for the Article 8 to $10,000.
No.
No.
His amendment, if it's defeated, goes back to $10,000.
Okay, so I tried. So I'm just suggesting that we defeat this amendment and stick with the $10,000. Thank you.
So that we're clear, the motion before you is an amendment to cut the number from $10,000 to $5,000. If the amendment is passed, that becomes your new main figure. If it's defeated, you go back to the $10,000. Mr. Willard. Calling the question, which means we need a 2/3 vote to cut off debate. All those in favor of cutting off debate and calling the question, please say aye. Aye. Opposed, no? No. We will vote on the main motion. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Paper ballot. Okay, so we.